Need those crucial 5-star reviews to build your reputation? In this video, I'll share the proven strategy to consistently earn positive reviews on Fiverr. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Positive reviews are social proof that build trust and credibility. The key to getting them is to deliver an experience that exceeds expectations. First, underpromise and overdeliver. Be realistic in your gig description, then surprise the buyer by delivering faster or including a small, valuable extra. Second, communicate clearly and proactively. Update the buyer on your progress and respond to messages quickly. A buyer who feels informed is a happy buyer. Finally, deliver exceptional quality. Ensure your work is error-free and perfectly matches the buyer's requirements. The final deliverable should leave them with no reason to give less than 5 stars. A crucial pro tip: after delivery, you can send a polite message like, "I've delivered your order. If you're happy with the work, I'd greatly appreciate your feedback." This gentle nudge can significantly increase your review rate without being pushy. And just like that, you're systematically building a profile packed with positive reviews. Each 5-star rating is a building block for your freelance reputation. What's your go-to method for ensuring client satisfaction? Let me know in the comments. To learn the art of the ask, subscribe for our next video on how to ask for reviews on Fiverr. Thanks for watching.